Do you know the secret behind the successful people's success? If you don't know, then just watch this video. Because in this video, I am gonna talk about the secret of their success. Yes, don't you ever ask and don't you ever question to yourself why? Why whatever they want in their life, they achieve it very easily. And when we try the same in our life, it takes a long time for to achieve simple goals and for to do success in our life. What is the difference between them and us? Just try to understand. They're the successful people. They also have two eyes, two ears, one nose, and one mouth. And we also have the same organs. And every human being have it. Then what are the secret is the comfortness and the uncomfortness. Okay, what we are doing, what we want to do in our life, what we want to achieve in our life. For all of the works, we just do hard work in our comfort zone. Okay, in our comfortness. But the successful people, they don't know. Whatever they want to be, whatever the things they want to achieve in their life, they always try to do hard work. They always work in their uncomfort zone. Okay, now this thing is a little kind of a puzzling, I know, but watch this video till the end. I will understand you more easily like water. And I am sure if you can understand this thing, if you can capture this thing, then nothing are gonna be hard for you. Everything will be easy. You also can just develop your thinking very highly and very powerfully. So in this video, I will not do a lot of things. I will just only share with everyone one quote. Okay, this quote is a very great quote. And if you can understand the secret and if you can just capture the whole quote, then nothing are gonna be hard for you. Everything will be easy for you. And this quote is great thing never comes from the comfort zone. Okay, great things never come from the comfort zone. Just you have to understand this quotes and you can do everything very easily. The success will come to you. Okay, you don't have to go the success will come to you. Yes, now what is this quote? Great thing how they will come to us in a comfort zone. Everything I will talk about one by one. This quote is a little kind of a puzzling, but don't worry, I and you, we will just find out all of the things and we will solve the puzzle. So things never come from comfort zone. If you understand and if you want to understand these codes, then first of all you have to understand the difference between the two words. The first one is the comfortness and then the another is the uncomfortness. Okay, if you can find out the difference between them, then almost and 50% work is over. Okay, just try to understand what is the comfortness. In our life, we people, we just always go behind all of the works which are comfort for us. Like now the speaking practice. I will give you an example. My goal in my life is developing my speaking and also being a great speaker. For that, I have to practice the English language daily. I have to speak it, I have to practice it. But there are two choices now in my hand. The first one is comfortably, but the second one is uncomfortably. Okay, whenever I just practice the English language at my home, then it means I am practice the English language comfortably. There are not at that time, at that spot, I don't have to face a lot of problems. Everything is easy for me. Okay, but when I will do and when I will do the same work practicing English in an uncomfort zone means uncomfortably, then the magic are gonna be. Okay, now what is mean the uncomfortably? Do you think now how I am speaking in front of you, how I am making the video, how I am practicing the English language, it is a comfort zone for me or it is a comfort thing for me? Then you are totally wrong. Now just try to observe everything. Now I am in the environment, I am in the outdoor side. I think that this place may be far away from our house and near about 6 or 7 kilometers. So now it is an uncomfortable place for me, but I am trying to make this uncomfortable place my comfort place. That's why I am working hard and I am making the video. So always try to understand. Your comfortness, your uncomfortness is a zone. Okay, a comfortable zone and an uncomfortable zone. And just try to focus on the uncomfortable zone, because comfort zone is simple. We are very comfort while speaking the English language, but when we will go to an uncomfortable zone, then many things we are gonna learn from the uncomfortable zone, which will be very beneficial for us. So that's why I always share with and I always tell to my English beginner, my English learner friends, then go in the outdoor side and make some videos. Because when you will speak, then you also can capture your speaking by the source of making videos. So always just remember my words, and I think now the puzzle 50% is solved already. Now let's talk about the second and the next. So now think everyone understood the difference between the uncomfort zone and the comfort zone. But we also have to understand that all of the works that we will do for to develop ourselves, for to be successful, all of the things we should do in our uncomfort zone. Because when you will do something, when you will practice the thing, when you will do hard work in your uncomfortable zone, then the most important thing it will be the problems. Okay, many problems will come to you, but at that moment you have to understand one thing. If you just go far away from your problems, if you ignore your problems, then nothing are gonna change to yourself. But if you just face the problems, if you just try to understand the problems, and if you solve the problem, then it will be very beneficial for you. And I also observed that many people they think that the problems is it is a wrong thing. If I have the problems, then what will be? Oh, don't know. And also a number of things the people they think about the problems. But for me, everyone should always need this thinking, and the thinking is I have to go to my problems. Okay, problems will not come to you until you will go to them. So that's why work hard, practice daily whatever you want to be in your life, and then just when you will practice, when you will do your work more professionally, and when you will do every day, when you will practice it, then problems will come to you, and you have to just face all of the problem, you have to solve it. So it is called the uncomfort zone and the comfort zone. Now I don't know that what is your ambition, what is your purpose of your life, but you have to find your uncomfort zone and comfort zone to yourself own. Like my uncomfort zone is this environment outdoor side. So that's why I just always try to make videos, practice the English in my uncomfortable zone. So now it is your work to find out your comfort zone and your uncomfortable zone. If you want to speak, if you want to develop the English language, then I think that everyone's comfortable zone is home and uncomfortable zone is the outdoor side doing conversation. So when you will work on your uncomfort zone, you will learn a lot in your life. So always you have to work on that. So our quote was that great things never come from the comfort zone. Okay, so that's why you always have to remember you are a great person, and then you are doing a great thing in your life. So that's why if you want the great results, then if you just do the great things in your home, then the result will not come greatly. So that's why you have to go the uncomfortable zone, you have to do the work same, and then you are gonna feel and watch the results that will come like a great result. So always remember my words, it will very helpful for to you. And the thing that I am talking about, do you know what is it? It is a quote. So that's why I always share with my friends, with my English learner, English beginner friends, that just try to learn, just try to read many quotes. Because when you will read the quotes, then first of all, the most importantly, your confidence, your motivation, it will develop. Whatever your work, what you want to do in your life, it will, and you can do the work very confidently with a lot of energy. So remember my work, and then you can find out many quotes, many quotes in the internet. Okay, and from the internet collect the quotes, understand the quotes, because quotes are there only few lines, 1 2 3 lines. Like great thing does not come from great things don't come from comfort zone. Like that are I also doing mistakes in the great things and in the great thing. So that's why just understand the quotes. If you can understand, then you also can get a lot of things. You can learn from the quotes a lot of things. So just read quotes, understand quotes, and also you can use the quotes while speaking the English language. It is the only thing that the successful people they follow in their life. Whatever they do, they just try to find out their uncomfortness, means their uncomfort zone, and they work on their uncomfort zone. Because if you can tackle and if you can face your uncomfort zone of your life, then nothing's are gonna be hard for you. You can do everything very easily, whatever you want in your life. So always remember, and just don't copy the people. Okay, don't copy the work of the people. What are you? Just try to find out that and work on that. Okay, don't think about the people, that what the people will say to me, and don't follow to the people also. Because when you will follow to the people what they done in their life, I also have to do the same. Then many problems will come in your life. So just find out your own work, and in a new way just find out new ideas, find out and work on them. It will be very easy, and also it will be very beneficial for you. Just remember that. And the biggest problem and the biggest fear that are gonna come in your life when you will start the work, it is the fear from the people. And also the biggest problem is the people. Okay, doesn't matter what you will do in your life, what is your work, but if you just can cross this bridge, then everything will be very fast for you. Because only one thing that will stop you and that will try to stop you, it is the people. Okay, what you will do, and when you will do something different from your society, from the people, then obviously the people will just laugh at you. They also will say to you a number of things that are gonna hurt to yourself. But if you can just ignore all of the words, and if you just focus on your own things, then it will be more and more helpful for you. Like now also I am making the video. Now it is like late time, but in the morning time many people they also do their morning work, they also do their work. And when I also just come here to practice my English language, then they also say a number of things. They also just laugh at me, they also just see and look at me in a various kind of expression. And also I just look at them and I ignore them. So ignore and learn to ignore the people. And if you can do this thing, it will be very beneficial for you. Just guys subscribe this channel for this type of more motivational. You learn something from this video, then guys please subscribe this channel and hit the like button. Because in this channel I will always post this type of new motivational videos, and also a number of videos which are gonna help you to develop your English. Doesn't matter what you want to be in your life, what your purpose in your life, but if you also have a good speaking skill, then every work it will be more good for you, more easy for you. Because nowadays in every and in everything we need the English language. We can find out the benefits and also the need of the English language. Because if you want to be a doctor, an engineer, a scientist, or anything in your life, then you need the English language. So develop the English language. Just go in your uncomfortable place and then just speak it, practice it. And craziness is very important. Without the craziness, everything will be hard for you. So bye bye, I will meet you in the next video. Remember, great things do not come from the comfort zone.